Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Hi, Shubham. Good morning.
Hi Rakesh, good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Yeah, Rakesh. Okay. Hi, this is Shubham here. I'm basically from Pune. I have completed my graduation from Pune University. Right now, I'm working with one of the company as associate software QA engineer,
Mhm.
and I have around 2.6 years of experience into the automation testing and manual testing.
Okay.
Uh, as yeah, so as part of my career, I have worked upon the platforms like Windows, Mac, and Linux,
Mhm.
mainly on the Windows. As my project is in banking and finance domain, basically. So we follow agile methodology over there, and we have 2 weeks of sprint
Mhm.
in my project. So as a part of my project, I have prepared a test cases, test scenarios.
Mhm.
Then I was also the part of walkthrough meetings,
Mhm.
and I have also done the testing like regression testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, functional testing, and I have also the automated script with the help of Java and Selenium,
Mhm.
and also integrated with the TestNG, and also followed the POM as a design pattern with data-driven approach.
Mhm.
And I'm also aware about the build tool, that is Maven. I
Mhm.
also have a good knowledge on Java OOPS concepts, and I'm also aware about the SQL, which is a database. And I also have a basic knowledge on API testing
Mhm.
with the Postman tool. And I know about the Git, which is a version control tool, like basic commands of Git and all.
Mhm.
And yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, great. So I'm sharing one link to you. Now what we
Yeah.
have to do is we have to automate this particular website
Mhm.
using Selenium with Java. So you have joined from laptop, right?
Right, right, right.
So can you share your screen and write the code for this particular website?
Okay, I will share my screen.
Yeah, yeah. You can share your screen. I have given you the permission.
Is it visible?
Yeah, it's loading. Yes, it's visible
So you have shared one link.
in the Zoom chat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, got it.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can just remove that particular retail.online.online.sbi.com. Just keep it till that. So you will be able to, uh, yeah, just remove last slash retail and whatever is there, no, just remove that. Or let me give you,
Last slash.
yeah, yeah. After slash retail is there, no, from that till the end, you can remove. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, this
yeah,
user driven
yeah,
page
yeah,
details I need to remove, right?
yeah, yeah, remove it. Okay, now hit
Okay.
enter. Okay,
So
just a
this.
second. Let me give you a new link.
Okay.
Okay, now I have shared the link in the chat. You can try this.
Yeah.
Good to know that you are using Selectors Hub.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm using selector. So
So this
yeah, so
particular page needs to be automated. Okay.
okay. So like, what is the question?
Yeah, yeah. So you need to automate this particular page using Selenium with Java. So you can open your IDE, you can open Eclipse
Mhm.
or IntelliJ, and you can write the code
Uh-huh.
for automation. Yeah.
Okay.
Are you opening Eclipse or IntelliJ? Anything?
Yeah, Eclipse. I'm
Okay.
opening
Okay. So yeah, I am
Eclipse.
able to
I'm
see only
using
your.
Eclipse actually.
Okay. So I am able to see only this SBI website open in your computer. Can you reshare and select the entire window so I can
Okay.
see all the applications?
Eclipse is
Hmm.
opening. I have shared.
Right.
Yeah, it's opening. It will take a bit of time.
Okay, no issues. By that time, we can identify the relative XPath for various fields over here.
Yeah, sure, sure. Then, open dedicated. I think I need to close and reopen it again.
No issues. Just close it once and you.
So, okay, we need XPath, right?
Hmm.
Relative XPaths. So, for which field I need to give relative XPath?
Yeah, so you need to automate the entire page. So all the relative XPath you will have to capture, right?
Okay. Oh, it is showing something.
Yeah, have you modified anything, JDK or JRE in your machine?
No, no, I have not done anything.
Mhm.
But let's try once again.
Mhm.
Uh, until my Eclipse opens, I will store the XPath in Notepad.
Yes, yes, no, but you can
That
keep.
will save the time.
So it opened. Okay, great.
Yeah, it just initializing all the things.
Mhm.
We will wait until that, or else it will not work fine.
Right, right. No issues. We can continue on relative XPath till that time. Okay, so account number, you have found the relative XPath. Then this is CIF number as well. Okay, great.
found. Oh, Rakesh, hello.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually saying your session has been expired. I have launched
Mm-hmm.
the Chrome
Okay.
URL,
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll give you one new
but it
URL.
is saying that your session has been
Okay. So let's do one thing. Open your browser. Yeah, in this, right, SBI Online. Just open SBI website.
website I need to open, right?
Mhm.
SBI.
Yeah,
This you want, right?
yeah. Just click on login.
Oh,
Mhm.
wait, I have clicked on the link. I will
Yeah.
click on the login.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. Now here we'll get a link to create a new account. You can click on continue to login.
Okay.
Hmm. Now new user is there. New user register here. So on that you can click.
New here, right? New user.
Yeah. Yeah. New user. Yeah. Click on OK. Yeah. Then you'll click on next no. So that particular form will get opened. Okay. So this is the flow that we can automate.
Okay. Okay. Okay, but why it is not taking me? So should I copy this URL into my
Yeah,
driver.get?
yeah, you can copy this as well. If
Okay.
this will not work now, so then we'll try to change the this particular thing. We'll try to automate that first login page. Hmm.
HTML. Okay, okay. Okay, I will try to launch the browser
Hmm,
now.
hmm, hmm.
It's saying your session has expired
Hmm,
actually.
hmm, hmm. Every time it is staying like that. Okay,
Yeah,
let's move to the login page then.
login page.
Yeah, yeah. Just take that URL and then we can automate the username password fields. Yeah, this particular link.
Yeah, okay. I am
Hmm?
at the login page. Then I
Yeah.
need to click on
Click on,
continue to login,
yeah,
right?
continue to login.
let me check once whether the class attribute is changing or not,
Mhm.
or will the script will fail again. So
Mhm.
you are-
This website is a bit slow today because it's Sunday, no? Maybe.
yeah, bit
Mm.
slow today.
Okay, by that time we can discuss that script as well, which you have written.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
okay.
over here you have mentioned like driver.manage.timeouts dot implicit wait. So why we are not using explicit wait over here?
Yeah. So the thing is that over here, implicit wait is because web driver is way more faster than the web page.
Mhm.
So yeah, we have mentioned implicit wait over here till wait for the desired time. So if this element is found like say at the 10th second, then it will execute that, then it will reduce the further 20 seconds. So that is the reason we have used the implicit wait over here.
Mm.
Yeah. And explicit wait is basically used to match the particular condition. Like we used to wait in order to, wait for the particular conditions. And
Mhm.
if it is not able to find the condition, then it throws the exception as no such element not visible exception. And
Correct.
the
Correct.
driver dot find elements throws no such element exception
Mhm.
in that case.
Okay. So when you say implicit wait 30 comma timeout dot time unit dot seconds. So let's say if the page loads within 15 seconds, then will it work on that or will it wait till 30 seconds?
It's within, like, if element is found within the 15
Hello,
second,
Shubham? Voice is breaking actually.
this will happen in case. Can you hear me now? Hello.
Yes. So do you want me to repeat the question?
Yeah, you can repeat it once.
Okay. So we were discussing about this implicit wait. Let's say if the element is identified at 15th or 16th second, then will it still wait for 30 seconds or what would happen?
No, it will not wait for 30 seconds. If element is found within the 15 second, it will not wait. It
Correct.
will execute further statement.
Right. Okay. And why you have kept over there like static driver? What would happen if we remove static from that?
See, because we are accessing, like we are using main method over there.
Hmm,
Our main method is static. So
hmm,
we could not access non-static inside static thing. If you want to access it, then we need to create a object of class.
hmm.
So avoid creating an object of class. So I have declared WebDriver as static.
Okay. Now, what if by mistake we remove static from that and we just mention driver? Then what would be the result of this script? What would happen? Will the script run? Will the script get executed or will you get any error over there?
Yeah, I guess it will show the null reference like.
Hmm, right. You get null pointer exception.
Exactly.
Okay, fine. Let's move to the website. I think it would have got loaded.
Yeah, that is the unique. I work. Button. So this is the thing we could not automate actually. We could not automate the captcha. So directly we can press on the login button.
Right,
This
right.
is the basically disadvantage of Selenium.
Correct. Okay, no issues. So, but your automation is good. You are able to
Yeah,
identify the relative XPath and you are able to justify the script that you have written.
yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's move to the next question then. Let me share my screen. Let me stop sharing your screen. Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a Policy Bazaar website. Okay, you might be aware
Okay.
about health insurance, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me high level test scenarios, positive first and then negative for this particular website?
Okay, positive test scenarios. So and the first scenario will be, am I able to redirect to the particular URL or not
Mhm.
correctly? Then I will check if I want to log in to this policy Bazaar website in order to check the health insurance. So I will first log in. Then after logging in, I will check that whether it is displaying the logo of the particular company correctly or not.
Mhm.
Then I will check whether this callless functionality is working correctly or not, whether it is displaying the correct phone number or not. Then I will also check whether uh, it is displaying correct discount or not. Like if you open an account online, whether it is displaying correct discount or not.
Mhm.
Then I will check all those points over here, whether they are displaying correctly or not
Mhm.
as per requirement. Then I will check the look and feel also of this particular website. Then I will also try entering the name over here. Then I will also try to enter the 10 digit. I will try to enter a 10-digit mobile number over here.
Mhm.
Then I will try to access the if this is a link, I will try to access all this link, whether the links are broken or not.
Mm-hmm.
Then what I can do is that, can you please scroll down a bit?
I think more than it is a content at the end.
Yeah. It is a content. Yeah, I will check all the links whether they are working fine or not,
Mm-hmm.
and then I will move to the negative scenarios, that I will try to enter wrong email ID and password. I will try to enter incorrect mobile number which is not existing.
Mm.
So yeah, I can do those things in negative testing as well. I can also do non-functional testing on this, whether it is working fine or on 4G network, 3G network, on the different OS, like it's working on Mac, whether it is working on Windows. Then yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, rather than OS, we can cover the test scenarios for various browsers as well, right? Apart from OS, to test the compatibility testing as well, like on various browsers, it is getting opened properly or not,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so that is one of the aspect. Now, what about localization or globalization test cases?
Yeah, globalization, in order to check whether this particular website is supported with the different types of languages or not, I will do the globalization check.
Hmm.
Uh,
So you'll have to test the validation messages, the confirmation messages, the toast messages based on
Confirmation
the,
messages.
yeah, based on the
Yeah,
language that you select, whether they
exactly.
are working as per that or not. Okay.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Now consider this kind of a website for insurance domain based. Okay. Which are the high level functional test scenarios that you will cover?
For insurance domain based.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, for insurance domain based.
So insurance is basically required for, like, health insurance is there. I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
take care of all the health insurance scenarios. Then we also have a car insurance. So I will
Generic you
also,
can consider, let's say auto, health, life insurance, all these all these are the various types of insurance that. So on a
yeah,
generic
exactly.
basis, yeah, which are the high level test scenarios, functional test scenarios, I would say.
On the generic basis. Okay.
Hmm.
So I have, as mentioned, car insurance. Then you are asking about test cases, right? Or only scenarios?
Scenarios is fine, like what all things you will be verifying on a high level.
Yeah, that's what I said. Like, on particular website, whether we are redirecting correctly or not.
Mhm.
Then I will check all the look and feel of the website or not. Whether I will also check whether we are taking all the requirements into the consideration, and we are preparing all the test scenarios
Mhm.
by considering all the requirements by client or not.
Mhm.
Then yeah, I will also do functional system testing. I will try to do end-to-end flow of the system. I will also check the payment gateways.
Mhm.
Then I will also check whether it is displaying nearby franchisee of that particular company or not.
Mhm.
Then yeah, I will try to do a chat support, whether chat support is helping me or not.
Mhm.
Then yeah, that those things I can include.
Okay, okay. So apart from this, you can also add in the functional test scenarios like verify if the customer or user is able to enroll in the policy benefit successfully. Okay. Then you can
Exactly.
also modify or update the existing policy to the to some of the aspects of the coverage or a new plan, and then you can check whether the system is allowing that particular things to get saved or not. Okay. So
Yeah,
then you can
I can
also,
also check to break the policy, and update my policy or renew my policy again.
correct,
So
correct.
yeah.
And then let's say if earlier when you were holding this policy, so your relationship status was single, and then now you want to update it to married. So you will be verifying whether the system is able to modify or update the customer's personal details. Okay, so that is
Yeah,
one
yeah,
of the
exactly.
scenario. Then
Scenario. Yeah.
then you will be verifying whether a user or a customer is able to cancel the policy as well. Then let's say if you have logged in via agent, then that agent's commission is calculated properly or not. There would be some percentage calculation that you will have to test over there. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
then
yeah.
yeah, now coming to the payment scenario, you mentioned about you will be doing payment sorry, via NEFT, via check, then online banking is there. Then let's say, for example, you had to pay for that XYZ policy 5,500 as the amount, 5,500 rupees. But somehow 5,700 you paid. So whether that additional 200 amount that you paid, that extra amount should be reverted back to the customer. That test scenario
Yeah,
can
it should got refunded exactly.
should get refunded. Then let's say if you have to add someone as a nominee for your policy, then you are able to do that or not. Or if a new
Exactly.
payee is being added, right? So then you can test whether the system is accepting that or not. Then one more test
Exactly.
scenario would be, let's say earlier you had mentioned that you would be doing payment from Axis Bank. Now you want to add one more bank as SBI or any other HDFC bank, whichever you are comfortable. So whether the system is accepting that or not. Okay. Then one more
Yeah.
thing can be, let's say you have got some kind of what I would say, the discount code or discount coupon. Okay, now you are applying that particular code during your payment. So you'll be validating whether the payment or the final amount is getting generated with that
Generated.
particular taking code or taking your discount code as well, right? That
Yes,
would
yes,
be
yes.
one of the test cases. So then you would be verifying whether the rates are generated as per the policy plan and structure only, right? Then you would be verifying the force coverage on the policy. You will be verifying the documentations that would be generated on that policy. Then verifying, then you will have to verify whether the policy number that has been generated, that is a unique number given allocated to you or not, right? So
Yeah, yeah,
those things you can check in the database as well,
exactly.
right? Then let's say if the policy has expired and now if you want to renew the same policy, then whether the policy renewal test case is working fine or not, right? Then let's say if you have to claim something, so verify the claim, you can verify the claim is processed properly or not, right? Then the policy
Exactly.
effective date is updating as per the new plan or not. And then there are, if there are any modifications in the GST tax slab, then accordingly that should get modified, right? So
Exactly.
these are the various functional test scenarios that you will be covering for life insurance domain, right?
Life
So
insurance.
you can take care of anything like health insurance is there, car insurance is there, life insurance is there. These are the generic test scenarios for all of
Generic.
them. Okay,
Exactly.
so this looks good.
Mm.
Okay. Now, what is a spiral model?
Yeah, spiral model is, one of the methodology actually. I'm not
Hmm.
aware about the spiral model. I used to follow, waterfall model sometimes, like in one of the project, and now working in Agile. So
Mm-hmm.
it is also one of the methodology over there. Like how
Right,
we
right,
have,
right. So no issues. See, even if you're not aware about anything, this is a mock interview. So let me clear your doubt on that front. So see, spiral model is considered as a meta model. Okay, and it includes all kind of different life cycle models. Basically, if there is a certain software or application that you have to work on, but it involves a lot of risk, and if it involves challenges of technical things as well, then automatically the risk would be more, then people would go for spiral model. Okay, so flexibility you can say and risk handling are basically the characteristics of this particular model. Okay,
exactly.
so if you have to work on very large software that is prone to various risks, so data in which you are in which you are facing difficulties or challenges in anticipating how to start particular project. Okay, from where you can start, from where you can start working actually on that particular thing. So in that case, you will be going for spiral model.
spiral model. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
so this is fine. Okay, now can you write a Java program to determine whether the number is palindrome or not?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
I can write it.
you can write
Should I
in
write in
Notepad.
Notepad?
Yeah, you can write in Notepad, no issues.
Sure.
You are sharing your screen? Hello? Hello, Shubham?
Hello.
Yes, Shubham, are you sharing your screen?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm sharing
Yeah.
my
Okay.
screen. Just. Hello, Rakesh. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, now it's getting loaded. Yes, I'm able to see your screen.
Mm, uh, palindrome number is like 323. I can.
Any number you can take.
To say then mm, some yeah, Rakesh.
Mhm. Okay, can you explain?
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Uh-huh.
So the I have taken main method. Inside main method, I have taken one integer variable,
Mhm.
and also I have took a reminder and sum. So I have taken one while loop over here. The condition in the while loop I have given with the help of this n mod 10, I will separate out each digit. Each digit I will separate out. So at the first iteration, the one will be stored into a reminder. Then sum is 0. The 1 plus sum into 10, 0. It will store the 1 into the string. Then it will separate out like one with the help of this statement. It will put a dot over here, not a float value. Then again 12 will be stored into the n. Then again second iteration will be there. Then again 2 will be separated, and again 2 into 10 plus reminder. Then again it will separate out these two numbers. Then again it will store 1 into the n, and then again reminder. Then the addition will be stored into the sum, and then again it will be 0 only. Then the loop will terminate. Then if 121 equals to no, for this statement it will store the n value into the temp in order to store the previous value and actual value. So it will check the sum value and temp value. If the sum value and temp value is same, then it will print out the palindrome. And if the sum value is not equal to temp value, it will print out the not palindrome.
Correct, correct. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, Shubham, you can stop sharing your screen. I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
No questions. Just it would be great to hear. Not it would be actually a great to hear a feedback from you. Not in terms of result, like what all areas I need to improve myself, basically.
Mhm.
So that would help me in order to
Yeah, I think let me stop sharing.